Hi everyone, this is Matas, a customer success manager here at Omnisend. Today I'm going to cover a very important topic, is how to avoid sending certain email campaigns to your audience. Alright, so let's jump in and I'll show you how to do it in a few simple steps. As you can see in the following example, I have created a landing page to collect the preferences of the customers. So in this example, I added the email of your customers that need to be added, and then added a checkbox, as you can see at the bottom, where your customers can tick if they want to receive the Mother's Day communication or not. If they click it, we can create a custom property, and based on that custom property, we can exclude those customers from receiving certain email campaigns. So as you can see, you click on this box here. And in this field, you can add Mother's Day, and you can add the date as well, because I will recommend sending this campaign every year, because some of the preferences could change over 1 year period. So we create a custom property here, and then we can basically, when the customers will update the preferences, it will assign a custom property to that particular contact. Yeah. Another way you can track who has unsubscribed from Mother's Day emails is adding a tag as well. So as you can see in here, you can add Mother's Day. Right. As well, I will add this year's date. And then every time someone updates their preferences, a tag will be assigned to that contact. We can move on to email campaigns. So you just click save, and then don't forget to enable the landing page as well, so that it would work for your customers to update their preferences. So let's move on to the campaign section. So I have created a simple email campaign example. So all here is left is to add a link to this button here, and then you can save that basically, and then once you send out the campaign to your customers, they will get this email campaign, and by that button they can go to that specific landing page and they can update the preference over there. So I have created an example of email campaign. So the next step here would be is to create a segment of those customers. So let's jump to the audience section. We can just click here, create a segment with email subscribers, based on the tag that we assign or based on the customer property. So in this example, we'll go with the tag. So when you see here, you can add a tag, go Mother's Day, and it will show you all the customers that selected to opt out of those Mother's Day emails. So basically then press save and then create that segment Mother's Day opt out. Well, we won't see any data here right now because it hasn't been launched yet in this example, but after some time, there will be customers who opted out, so you can use this segment to exclude them. When you create the future campaign for Mother's Day, select this segment and those customers want to receive those emails. This is an example only for Mother's Day. You can use this example for any other holiday as well. Thank you for your attention. See ya.